Welcome to Budapest, where we'll embark on a fantastic walking tour that will take us off the beaten path to see some of the city's most exciting and unique attractions. We'll start our day with a delicious breakfast in one of the quaint cafes in the Jewish quarter. Then we'll head to the Doheny Street Synagogue, the largest synagogue in Europe. After learning about the rich Jewish culture and history, we'll make our way to the iconic Chain Bridge, which offers breathtaking views of the Danube River. Once we've crossed the river, we'll begin our ascent to Buda Castle, which sits atop Castle Hill. The castle, which has stood since the 13th century, is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and offers stunning panoramic views of the city. After taking in the beauty of the castle, we'll head down the hill to Budapest's famous bathhouse, Székely Thermal Baths. With its 15 indoor and outdoor pools and numerous saunas and steam rooms, Székely is a true oasis in the heart of the city. After relaxing in the warm waters and indulging in a massage or two, we will visit the Cave Church, a unique church built into a natural cave system inspired by the Maria Cave in Lourdes, France. Built into the rocks and caves of the Gellert Hill, you will have the chance to see stunning murals and sculptures, as well as learn about the fascinating history of the church. As our day draws to a close, we'll head to one of Budapest's trendy restaurants and bars, where we can indulge in some hearty goulash, enjoy a drink and chat with locals and fellow tourists alike. From the historic sites to the luxurious thermal baths and unique nightlife, Budapest's off-the-beaten-path walking tour has something for everyone.